Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will see the HP400 Bluetooth speaker. So we will dismantle it and see what is inside this. So as you can see, it is here HP400 series Bluetooth speaker. So now let's start. So for that we need a 3-head screwdriver, a single head screwdriver like this. So you start from this side. Okay, we'll press it slightly. Be careful because the Bluetooth speakers are there and they're highly sensitive. If you will force it, it will get tear off. Alright, so yeah, it's almost done. So that's what it looks like. Time. Okay, no worry. Yeah, so I already have, there are 6 screws, so I already have opened that. This is the LED notification, this is the mic, these are the 2 speakers. So let's start. Yes, it's coming out. Be careful. And now you have to turn it. Be careful. Okay, so as you can see, you have to like dismantle this. It's a rubber case. Okay, yeah, it's out. So that's the Bluetooth speaker. Here we have 2 more screws. Let's open it out. Okay, and one on this side. One on the lower side. So that's the content. This is the battery, and these are the kit. And here we have a speakers. We have a 2 speaker. This is the mic, and this is subwoofer speaker. You can see pump, it comes out like that's what inside it is. That's all guys, see you, bye bye. Like it, please do like if you are interested in this coming more videos. That's all, bye bye.